it turns on. Alright, so Edge and I are back on the snake. It's supposed to be warm today, but it's not warm yet. We got, like a 3-mile float to do. So it's starting to be a little windy, so I hope that shit stops. But yeah, it should be good. So how's that?
Practice.
And so you better hurry so you don't hit my anchor.
Did I already hit it? I'm not pulling anything until, there's an earthquake or something.
Yep.
Alright.
Get him.
I think I saw a little hit or something, but I don't know.
He took it pretty good.
Good size one.
You know, it's kind of nice having a net again.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A little less work. So a little less hassle.
Well, it's nice having a net that they actually fit in, I'll say that.
Oh, there you go.
Come on, buddy. I got him good. There we go. Oh, there he is. Not bad, not bad. See, that one was on the single hook rig. Just a little bit of sucker meat. Oh! Oh, he popped it. I almost had a double. If I was paying attention. It pays to pay attention.
Oh, that guy that's in Tennessee on YouTube?
Yeah. I think I remember that. That's a first for me.
First miss?
No, that's a first. I've never had anybody hook my anchor line in a kayak.
Never had someone kayaking behind you and trying to fish right where you are. Or not try to, but end up fishing right where you are.
I was gonna say, it wasn't much of a try. I just got smacked.
You got smacked?
Yep. Don't they know I'm taking I was taking an intermission?
Hey, it's time out. This is a personal foul. Technical foul, as they called it. So you mean it should be like obvious, right?
It's obvious. Like that. That's obvious.
I didn't see it, so I guess I missed out on my education right there. Is that a carp jumping over there?
Could be a carpe. Hey, set, don't let it back down.
Don't let it back down.
Yep. You gotta set and reel.
That's why I hired you. So you can not put the work on. Yeah, it's off.
I mean, you'll get it.
Maybe.
Eventually.
Maybe I'll just keep getting lucky.
This one's a little fatty.
Toes?
Yeah, net's way nice. So much better.
You're gonna have to give your wife a big old snoot when you get back.
What's that?
You're gonna have to give your wife a big old snoot when you get back.
I have a very loving wife that made sure that I got a net for Valentine's Day, a little early present.
Valentine's Day? Oh, is that what that's about?
Boom! Nice big kitty. Hey, Edge. Oh, I'm gonna look. Edge is up. Not bad, not bad. Heck, I caught that one on the top hook. Huh?
Pretty big deal.
It's just weird.
Well, aren't both the baits suspended from the bottom anyway?
Yeah.
So they just kind of float.
Yeah, Edge. If you see them smack it, it's like a quick pop.
Yeah.
Then pick it up and hold on to it and wait for another one. But if they take it and just bow it over, just yank that thing out of there and start reeling. Heck, the water's almost 40 degrees.
Dang.
It's a couple degrees warmer than it was last time we were out.
Obviously the bite's on it, you'll be talking to.
You're getting hit out there, aren't you? No,
I
didn't.
thought I got a bite. Yeah. I don't know, I don't trust myself to know. You smiled, but it's the case, man. That is the case. This is not my
Strong
natural
suit?
environment out here in the middle of the river. And the last time I even did bank fishing for cats was when I was like 12 or 13.
I live out here.
You know what I mean? And that's, yeah, it's just a whole different game than what I'm used to. I'm guessing lettuce.
Why are you reeling in?
Well, because I already yanked it.
going in for the view.
Oh, you're coming to me? Watch out, the line's right there in front of you. See it?
Yep.
There we go.
That boy.
Yeah.
If you guys can even see. Look at the sun.
Not too shabby.
See, I watched that whole deal transpire. Yeah.
Let's go fish.
Oh, I like it out here. Being boarded.
Yeah.
Maybe.
You need help?
There we go. Alright, I got you now. There.
Live in peace. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna give you my right hand because I don't want my gloves to get that wet. He's off.
Edge got one.
Yeah. Slap it. Of course. Oh, hey. He's a gentleman.
John and his That's it for the day. We got 4 cats and no bass, but the water's only 40 degrees by fault. If they're biting, we would have caught one. So real quick, I'll kind of go over while I'm waiting for Edge to get the truck. This is kind of my setup. This is my son's kayak that Edge uses when he comes with me. Just has, you know, an anchor trolley on it, 2 rod holders on the front that are just bolted right down because it was a $100 kayak. I mean, you can't expect a whole lot, but it actually, that Field and Stream does phenomenal in the current. I was surprised. It handles the current very well. You can actually paddle upriver very well in it. So for $100, if you want to get going, I don't like sit-in sides, but I can fish that one for a day if I have to. Then you have mine, which is a Lightning Strike HD. Got the anchor trolley on it. Got my rod holders, my fish finder. Got Got my backpack that the wife just got me that has all of my gear in it. Got this ugly stick here that just has a single hook rig. Now for the weeds, I have an extra long leader to slip swivel for my weights. And then my other one is out in the water right now because I might as well be fishing waiting for edge. But that one has a double hook rig on it, and that's just a little Finwick, but it is a blast. I've caught a 25-pound flathead, I think is the biggest fish I've caught on that Finwick, and it's a crappie rod. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. But yeah, we did all right. Just working sucker meat and fishing, muddy flats and clam beds, stuff like that. Anywhere that you have a nice little pocket that's slow moving, that has food, which the clam beds, that's year-round food for them. So I'm not an expert, but for me, that's what always works. And we caught a couple today. So, and it's, what is it, February? Yeah, beginning of February. It's still cold out, even though I'm in a t-shirt right now. The sun's out, it's like 45 degrees. But thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I hope everyone has a good day. Thank you.